Oh yeah, it's toasty. I think I saw it come out the top, so it almost for sure came out. Maybe it's not the best idea to have this here, but I'm not the one who put that cord here. Okay, here are the cups. Unfortunately, there is a camera error or something when I was taking these out of the sand, but I figure I should show them before I cut them out so you can see how they were cast. See the metal poured down here. There's a little spot there, because when the metal is initially coming down, it's probably going to drag some sand and stuff with it, so that helps eliminate sand from getting into the actual casting. Flows there and it fills it up this way and then comes out the top, and that also allows air to escape. That's very important, or else you could have a big hole on the top from air being trapped there. And these do hold water. And then this one is based off of a 3D printed pentagonal design. These are bismuth-bronze. Yeah. Okay, here are the finished shot glasses here. These are made in bismuth-bronze. They're not 100% cleaned up, as these do take a very long time to clean up, sometimes like that spot there. Most of that has been done on the grinding wheel, the finishing that you see on there. Let me see if I can even get this in so you can see down into it. There we go, that's a better shot. Better shot. These do hold water. Also vodka, of course. And then this one is a pentagonal shot glass, and there's a little design in the bottom too. That one has been hit with the wire brush as well to make it a bit shinier. There's the bottom. Obviously there was a vent hole on the top there, and the piece had to be cut off, and that had to be ground down on the grinding wheel. And there is where the sprue came in, the metal flowed in to fill this up. Similar way you'd pour a bell, actually. And this one's slightly heavier. I think the bottom's slightly thicker. This one's slightly heavier than this one. Not by much, just the bottom's just a hair thicker. This actually, if you're wondering how I got a pentagonal octagonal shot glass. That's an interesting story. Here we go. Maybe red wasn't the best choice of background for here, but it's my thing. This is a 3D printed thing, just a really simple design, one of the first things I 3D printed. And it was one of these. I actually just put tape over there because this was printed at a pretty tall layer height, just so it would print faster, because these walls don't have any details on them. But I put a clear packing tape to smooth out the walls so that I could get it to come out and it wouldn't grip onto the sand, add friction, all those little ridges. Interesting thing about these, why you might want all metal shot glasses like these, is because say you don't have your alcohol chilled, but you'd like to just chill a few shots for yourself and a few friends. Just stick these in a tray of ice water, and then pour vodka or whatever in them, and then only a couple minutes it will be perfectly chilled. Because these are solid metal, they're very conductive. Well, that's all for today.